Alright, welcome to my tiny YouTube channel. In a world of tiny houses, there are also tiny YouTube channels, and you've just found yourself at one. Today we're replacing the rear hatch struts on our '07 CRV. Struts in general tend to fail, especially high use. If you think about how many times you open the hatch versus the hood, these things have been used thousands of times, and the car, is now 13 years old. Probably 14 based on model year and when it was sold. And these, it almost has 200,000 on it. So these are super simple to do yourself. No need to pay anyone ever to do this for you. These are held in by 2 clips. No bolts, no screws, no nuts, nothing. Just 2 clips. You just take a little pick and pop them out. And what we're doing here is insurance that the hatch won't fall down and crush my head. These little vice grips have been lifesavers for me. I used to carry them on my old Audi S4 because the hood strut was failed, so whenever I had to work on it, which was all the time, I used that. I went with a Max Pow brand, very good marketing, made in China. No bueno. Get yourself some OEM ones if you can. Like I said, this car has 200,000 on it. It's been a great car. I just can't justify spending a ton of money on it in certain places, especially something like this where it's easy to change. Now, if it was like replacing a head or pistons or something, yeah, I'm going to go with OEM or just get a whole used engine. So on the new ones, before you put it in, gotta take your little screwdriver or your pick and pop these open. And if you don't have a set of picks, go down to your local hardware store. They're always on the end shelf and they're always on clearance. Just pick up 3 or 4 sets. Spend the $20. That way, if you break one, you have a spare ready to go. You don't have to make the drive. That's how I feel about picks anyway. I use them for everything. Okay, I'm making this look harder than it really is. There, see it popped open? That little gap? Good to go. Now, if you don't have a vice grip on the other strut, make sure you have a friend hold the hatch or it will fall down on your head. You can see? Look at the new ones, just a little shorter. Not sure if I remember noticing that or not. I did this probably 3 months ago. I'm just now getting around to recording this. Clip it in top. Good to go. Look, it's just a little shorter. I'm like, why won't it work? Why won't it work? Oh. As you can see, it's so close, but it just won't reach. I'm just going to pull down on the hatch a little bit. Boom, right on. Easy peasy. And before you're done, just make sure you really get these little clips pushed back in place. And going for number 2. Alright, that's it. This is a super easy one. Like I said, there's no reason to pay anyone. So before, if you remember, the hatch was clunky and wouldn't pick itself up. And it would fall down sometimes after it was up. And now, it does it on its own. Alright, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.